everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to download PayTM application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start off by tapping open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top and type in PayTM in the search box and make your search. Once you find the application displayed at the very top on the next page, if you tap on the app, it'll give you further information about the app, its ratings and reviews. To download the application right away on your Android, tap on the install button in green and your application downloading process should begin. Wait until the app gets downloaded. It'll only take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. PayTM is an Indian multinational technology company that specializes in digital payment system, e-commerce and financial services. You can use PayTM for safe and secure money transfer via UPI using any bank account or PayTM wallet. Once the application is downloaded and is installed, you can see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily get PayTM wallet application downloaded for your Android. Type in your mobile number and proceed by tapping on proceed securely button and you'll be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.